is easy, unlike managing your calendar or deciding what to make for dinner. In your favorite little teapot, bring together 2 cups of Organic Valley Grassmilk, 1 teaspoon turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, a splash of organic vanilla, and as much maple syrup as you like, because just like you, it's subtle but kind of dramatic. Let it simmer together for about 10 minutes. Just enough time to do some kitchen yoga or really overthink that one text you should have never responded to. Then pour slowly into your favorite mug, the one that pulls your low-lift luxury look together. Because if rest was a sport, you'd be varsity. Sip slowly, protect your peace, and romanticize everything.